Hi guys, today I am going to be unboxing or unpackaging this cover for my 16-inch MacBook Pro. A few people have asked me whether I recommend these kinds of covers. I always use these covers with my laptops. I think they're really good to avoid scratching or damage to them. They're really good. I find that where you don't use them, you find that the computer will get scratches, will get dirt and other things on them, and these covers are quite good. They're fairly cheap. This one I've got here today is for the MacBook Pro 16-inch. I purchased it from eBay. It was only about $30. There are cheaper ones out there. This is one that's very similar to the one that I had for my 15-inch MacBook Pro. So I'm just going to open this up and we'll test its fitting on the computer now. So just open that up. So straight away you can see here there are two parts to this case. They're both separate. You've got the first bit for the cover, and you also have the second bit for the bottom of the computer. This first layer also has a protective plastic coat. Open that up. So you'll notice on these, you've got the opening point for the clamshell, the front of the computer, and at the back you have the place where the hinge for the laptop goes. So that's the easy way to tell back and front. And you'll notice under here we've also got these holes for ventilation, which I think are quite good and quite effective. So this is my MacBook Pro 16-inch, so we'll give it a go. And that seems to have clipped in quite well. It's a good fit. Just give it a push down just to make sure that it's locked on perfectly. And that looks okay so far. And this is the top. I may actually have to open the lid to do this. So there you have it. It appears to be on nice and solid. And you can now open the lid. And that looks quite nice. Really good fit. And as I say, very similar to the one that I had on my 15-inch MacBook Pro. Definitely well worth having these on here. Very protective against scratches. And one question I did have from someone recently was whether they overheat the computer and whether the computer overheats in this. I found that that's not the case. You'll see that the ventilation at the bottom of the computer here, where the fans blow, is clear, so that the computer can still get air into it. So I haven't had any issues with overheating using these cases, so I'm very happy to recommend them as well. Okay, I hope you found that was of some use to you. If you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.